Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is an obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior. 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, pre-safe, Distronic. Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 29,735 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.